Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to import any videos in the Audacity without any errors. Okay guys, let's get started. First, download the file which I have given in the description below and extract it. After extracting, you can see here are the lot of files for the libraries of the Audacity. Okay, let's open the Audacity software. So here you can see Audacity has been opened. After opening, you can go to the edit menu and here you can see a last preferences. Click on the preferences and here you can see libraries. Click on the libraries and here look at the files which you have downloaded recently. Look at it. I've already looked at it, but I can show you. Browse and desktop. Here you can see ffmpegwin 2.2.2. Open it and open these, and here you can see AV format 55.dll and select it and open. So after selection, click OK and then OK. So after all these settings has been done, you can easily import any video in the Audacity without any errors. Here you can see I have a video, a song. Let's open it to prove that this is the video. Okay guys, so you can see that this is the video file. Okay, let's import it in the Audacity. Select it and import in the Audacity. So guys, you can see the video has been successfully imported in the Audacity. Okay guys, so if you enjoy this video, like it and share with your friends and subscribe. Okay, bye.